The blinking green and red light on your Milwaukee charger indicates a battery fault or charging incompatibility. This usually means there's an issue with the battery itself, such as a cell imbalance, overvoltage, or a short circuit. It can also signal that the charger and battery aren't communicating correctly. Don't ignore this warning, as it can lead to permanent battery failure. The good news is that many of these issues can be resolved with basic troubleshooting. First, unplug the charger and remove the battery to safely begin troubleshooting. Clean the battery and charger contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove dirt or carbon buildup that might interfere with the connection. Try using a different Milwaukee battery to determine if the issue is with the original battery or the charger. If you have a newer charger with Bluetooth, use the Milwaukee One Key app to check for firmware updates and run diagnostics. A full discharge-recharge cycle can resolve soft brick issues by resetting the battery. If problems persist, contact Milwaukee customer service for warranty help, especially for suspected faulty cells. DIY fixes save time and money versus professional repairs, but avoid forcing connections to prevent voiding warranty.